Hello all, welcome to the second video on first value and last value window functions in SQL. So in this video, we'll discuss about a question which says that I need to show continent wise those country names which has the highest population as well as the lowest population. That means from each continent, we should show two country names. One country name belongs to the highest population and the second country name belongs to the lowest population. Now let's get started. So for this, I'll be using the country table from World Schema. Now, if I execute this select query, you can see there are so many columns over here. So basically, I need to show the continent column, then the country column, which is the highest population, and the country column, which is the lowest population. So these three columns we need to show. So to show the country information, we have this name column over here. So for that, I'll write select query because we want to extract data. So select continent, comma, first underscore value. Now I need to show the name of the country. So I will pass name column. Then over partition by continent, because in each continent I need to show the country name, which is the highest population and lowest population. So first underscore value I'm using to show the highest population. So partition by continent, then order by population descending, because I need to show the country name in each continent which is the highest population. So first underscore value is used to show the highest population. So for that reason, I'm arranging the population in descending order. So that means the one which is the highest population will be shown first. So that will be the first value. And along with that, I will use range between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Unbounded preceding means the first row and unbounded following means the last row. So the range should be between the first row and the last row. Close the bracket and give it the name as highest the name is country underscore with underscore highest population. So this will show me the country name which is the highest population. Similarly, to show the country name with lowest population, I will use last underscore value. So last underscore value, and rest everything will be same. So again, it will be on name column because I need to show the country name. Over, I'll just copy this particular thing because everything will be same. So when we arrange in descending order, so the minimum value will be shown at the end or at the last. So that will be the last value. If the name is country underscore with lowest population. So when we arrange in descending order, it will be from highest to lowest. So when I face the first value, it will be the highest value. And when I face the last value, it will be the lowest value. Then from world.country. As you can see, from Asia, we have China as the highest population and Maldives as the lowest population. And if I scroll down, Europe, we have Russian Federation as the highest population and Holy See as the lowest population. Now in the previous video or in the part 1 of first value and last value window function, I have already explained about why we are getting duplicate records. Because we're given partition by as continent. Now it checks in each of the continent values how many records we have. So on that basis, it will show those many records. So in Asia, we have around 51 records. So it will show 51 records for Asia. Then for Europe, if you have around 40 to 50 records, it will show as 40 to 50 records for Europe. Now, to avoid the duplicate values, what we can do is we can use distinct keyword, just like in the previous video. Now this is the final list. So in this way, we can show the country with highest population and country with lowest population in each continent. Now, along with that, let's say if I want to show the population value, highest population value as well as the lowest population value. So just after country with highest population, I will add a column to show the highest population value. So for that, what I will do is I will still use first underscore value, but instead of showing as name, I will show population because I want to show the value as population, not the value as country. So here I will be passing population column over, rest everything will be same. Is this, and I'll give the name as highest underscore population. Similarly, to show the lowest population, so just after country with lowest population, I will pass this. So I'll use last underscore value. And here also I need to pass population column because I need to show the population value, which is the minimum population or the lowest population. Over, then rest everything will be same. And with the name as lowest population. Let's execute the query. So now this is the highest population and this is the lowest population along with the country names. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.